Imagine waking up to a $5,000 check in your mailbox. No, it is not a scam. It is allegedly part of Donald Trump's new plan to stimulate the economy. But here's the catch. Congress is racing against the clock. Tariffs are spiking prices, and some experts say this could backfire big time. So what's real and what's just political hype? Buckle up. We're breaking it all down in under 10 minutes. First, the headline grabber. Trump wants to slash taxes for 80% of Americans. That includes no taxes on overtime pay, tips, Social Security income, and even total tax elimination for anyone earning under $200K. Sounds amazing, right? But how's he paying for it? Here, yes, where it gets wild. He's betting on China tariffs up to 145% to fund these cuts. But wait, when a company like Temu slaps a 145% fee on imports, guess who pays? You do. Prices for gadgets, clothes, even groceries could skyrocket. So are you really saving money, or just trading one bill for another? Let's rewind. In 2018, Trump's tariffs boosted factory jobs but also hiked prices by $1,300 per household. Now he's doubling down, but economists warn this could trigger a supply shock, making your grocery bill a nightmare. And here's the kicker. If China retaliates, farmers and tech workers could suffer. So is this a masterstroke or a money meltdown waiting to happen? Now the internet's buzzing about a Doge Dividend, a $5,000 check tied to, wait for it, cryptocurrency savings? Sounds sketchy. Here's the deal. Some reports claim Congress might include a stimulus line item, but experts give it just a 2 to 3% chance. Why? Because Doge here probably isn't the meme coin. It was more likely a typo or metaphor for economic savings. And still, states might step in with property tax relief or EV rebates. Keep watching. Picture this. You're buying a new phone next month. Thanks to tariffs, it costs $500 more. Was the tax cut worth it? While federal checks are a long shot, local governments are already acting. Texas, Florida, and Ohio are fast-tracking property tax freezes to offset rising costs. And guess what? If you buy an electric vehicle made in America, you could pocket a $7,500 tax credit under Trump's plan. This isn't just about checks, it's about slashing everyday expenses. Here's the drama no one's talking about. Trump wants to tax millionaires, but his own party is panicking. Why? Campaign donors aren't thrilled about paying more. It's a classic tug of war. Do Republicans side with billionaires or the 80% getting tax cuts? And can they even agree on immigration or energy policies before the July 4th deadline? Spoiler, unlikely. Rate your trust in Congress, 1 to 10 in the comments. Let yes get real, these tax cuts could cost the government $1.5 trillion over 10 years. To offset that, Trump's team is eyeing loopholes for big corporations, but lobbyists are fighting back. Meanwhile, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell is quietly pushing for defense spending hikes, which could derail the whole bill. This isn't just politics, it's a cash grab with your name on it. So what survives the chopping block? 3 sure bets. Middle-class tax cuts under $200K earners, business incentives for U.S. manufacturing, EV tax credits for made-in-America cars. The rest? Let's just say Congress has a 40% approval rating for a reason. Meet Sarah, a nurse in Michigan. With Trump's plan, she keeps her overtime pay, gets a tax-free $1,500 EV rebate, and saves $300 a year on property taxes. Not bad. Timing is key. If Congress meets the July 4th deadline, expect changes to hit your 2025 tax returns. But here's the catch. The IRS already botched the 2023 refunds. Can they handle another overhaul? Only if they pull an all-nighter. Don't just sit there. Here's how to prepare. Track your expenses. Higher tariffs, shocks, or smarter shopping. Talk to an accountant about 2025 tax strategies. Vote in midterms. Your state reps control local relief. Buy an EV before the tax credit expires. Comment below. I'll vote for the best tax plan to hold politicians accountable. Which provision matters most to you? Tax cuts, checks, or tariffs? Vote in the poll. Like the video? Smash that like button. Subscribe for updates, drop it below. Oh, and for the record, Dogecoin fans, we're sorry. This dividend's not yours.